Now, students, panel part 6, and I'm going to do a little panel down here on the ground floor. I think the guys wanted a panel on the ground floor so you could explore the threshold detail, what's happening there as well. Okay, right. So here's my original, and I need to go back into south elevation here, because we're talking about 4.5, all right, 4.5. So exterior view. Now I'm going to do a file save as, and this will be option 4500. Okay, and maybe CTE like that. All right, so I'm going to save that back in there. So I'm going to shift my reference plane up here now to 4.5. And again, just slightly below. That's grand, 20 mil below will do just nicely there. And now, if I'm going on the 9 meter, you can see on the elevation of the brief, that's not exactly what is there, if you know what I mean. So I think I'll delete this. All right. And here's my reference planes just there. And so what I could do is I'll get rid of those little extrusions there. I don't need those ones. What I could do is take that single little extrusion, put that over here. So there, right? Like that. And that's just a frame at the moment. So if I go into the 3D view of that, I've got no, I haven't brought that panel over there. So what I'm thinking of doing is just putting another window in here, and I'll try and balance them up. So I got kind of 3 windows going down there. I think that to me would probably be the easiest bit. So there's that main extrusion in behind. I wonder, can I bring this over here? Okay, there you go. As I said, these are all just extrusions, so they're quite easy to manipulate. Right, so let's get back to the exterior, because what I want to do is I want to get my dimensions correct here. So there. Now, so you can see that these are 2.1s and that's a 2.69. Again, if I it's kind of this gap here that we're looking at, you know. See if I can play around with that a little bit. Okay, so there's a sweep. Now I'm going to copy that directly across to here. All right, now we can't see it because I need to knock out a hole in the extrusion there, and I can do that very easily now that I've got that in place. So it'll be edit extrusion, and pick this up here now. Something like that. Oh, wrong place. Let's undo that. Okay, so and I'll just escape out of that as well. So escape out of that. Now, what I'll do is I'll go into my annotate and my detail lines. There's no detail lines here, but there are these kind of symbolic lines. Just going to, here, tell you what, don't even need those because what I'm going to do is go into my visibility to wireframe. That's what I wanted. Right, now, so we're going to edit that, and then I can literally just pull this out here now. Or is there? Okay, so there's that extrusion moved out. Right, so what I want to do then is put a pillar in this side now. So I'll copy that. And, we'll go there, and then I'll move it from here to here. Okay. Right, now you can see what my plan is here now. So what I want to do is get that into the center now. I drew those at the same time. So look, what I'll do is I'll just take them out. Okay. Okay, and then I'll go back in with some dimensions here. Here's the center line here. Oh, perfect. I got a center line grid there. So what I will do then is I can literally pull this across into the center. Now I'd need some kind of grid lines to be able to do that. I think so. It just won't move across. I need to take that and again here I need a dimension there. So annotate dimensions. So let's do this. Okay. Now, so if that's right, and so 2-1 would be 1050. 1050. So let's see if we can get a line in here. That would be 1050. Okay. Down there. And both take that line and just mirror it across to here. Okay, now I can do my extrusion. It was to the external. Or can I align these? The way around to this, align that. Yep. And then to this, align that. Perfect. Okay. Now I just get rid of those ones as well. And then here is the glazing extrusion. Okay, that I've got the glazing material on. Okay. And now I'm going to copy this one over to here. And then copy that one. Now let's take a look at that, see how it looks. It's not bad. It's my 3 panels now. I don't think I have any glazing in this one, so let's get back into the exterior. And I'll just tab this so I can get the glazing, and I'll copy that. Oh, you can see that. Let's edit the extrusion. So let's take those and copy there to there. That'll do that trick. Right, there's my glazing in place. Okay, so if you've been following in the other parts that I did on this, you'll understand what I mean about there's the glazing, and I've done the material by category. And if I click into this little box here, associate family parameter, there's my glazing parameter. Now, the material parameter. So what will happen is when I load this into the project, which I'm going to do now. Okay, here. And let's tab, pick that one, and swap this one out then for that one. And there's that one in there. Okay. Right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one. Okay, see if I can tab it. There we go. And then come over to its properties and you'll find here's the categories here. So, and again, you saw me do this in the other one, curtain wall glazing will do just very nicely there. Okay, now they're in place there. And if I tab, select that one and do the exact same thing here, glazing, curtain wall, throughout them all there. Now, so all I got to do is copy those four across there, and I've got my base panels in as well. And you can see how easy that was to change and manipulate. So once I've got roughly the right shape that I want, and I'm working to the correct size of the vertical grids and the horizontal levels. It's that panel that's in between that I'm designing for. Okay,